everything that we've asked them for, they provide. And after this most recent update, everybody is going to be making more money. Thank you, Webull. Thank you. Honestly, after this, you can go ahead and delete any other broker that you have. Go ahead. Webull has everything that you need at this point. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks, where we talk about stocks and option trading tips. If this is your first time watching this video, please make sure that you click that thumbs up button for me. It really helps the channel. Also subscribe and click that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video for you guys. So this is going to be a very short video. Really, we're just going to be talking about these new features that we have in Webull's new V8 update. Now, when we open Webull, we can see here that we have just a few different changes. The main thing is they added feeds, and basically feeds is how Webull is very connected to, it's pretty close to being a really good social media platform for investing. They have an amazing learning center where they're going to tell you about option trades, chart updates, all the financial reports, alert systems, and yeah, they're going to give you news, the most mentioned stocks, the most popular topics, and just the most popular Q&A. So if you have questions, then this is a place to go where more traders might have similar questions that you do. We've already had markets where they're just going to show you the overall market index. This is great. But what you'll see right below that is now we have a newsletter that's going to filter out some of the top stock news from so many different sources: Benzinga, Routers.com, Seeking Alpha, Yahoo Finance, Barron's. So we still have this information. It's just that you actually had to search for it a little bit more. Now it's literally in our face, and it just gives you more access to this information. It really puts the odds in our favor. And so they've literally added so many new features, and we're not going to go into every single one, but you'll see here we have our top options section. So before we had top stocks, top sectors, top ETFs. Now we have the top options here. You can look up the total volume. Over here it gives you your put to call ratio. So this is great information. You can filter through that, and you have different positions. And here it's going to give you the actual option contract, the open interest, and the volume. So you can filter through these top picks. You can have POS increase, so you have ones that have increased since they've been purchased. On the opposite, you have ones that have decreased. The open interest has decreased since those were open, so these might be ones that you may consider going against. They show you options with the highest volume, implied volatility, and turnover. So literally you can come here and look for actual option positions. So this is really just going to give you more ways to actually find option positions. Webull also added option trading screeners, so you can actually search for a particular option contract that fits a certain criteria. So make sure you're on the markets, where you see Explore, United States, crypto, all of that. Now we're going to go up here to our top right, boom, and we see our stocks screener. So we've been using screeners on Webull, and actually they've added more to even just the stocks. They've added more technical indicators to find better trades. Honestly, after this, you can go ahead and delete any other broker that you have. Go ahead. Webull has everything that you need at this point. Fractional shares, options trading, crypto, paper trading, dividends, reinvestments, screeners for stocks and options. What other platform would you need? Now we're going to go over here to options. I don't have a screener, so we're going to make one right here on the fly. Let's say days to expiration 14 to 30. Let's keep it cute. And you can also put custom, so it shows you down here an estimated match just off the bat. We have 355,000 that are options that are scheduled to expire within 14 to 30 days. Great. Open interest and volume. So volume, I like those to at least be 1,000. Open interest, let's say 1,000. Oh, this is going to be a good one. Now the Greek. So implied volatility, I want something that's below 50. It's usually going to be a better price. For my delta, I need a delta of at least 0.5. So let's view the results. We have 79 options that fit this criteria. This is insane. Oh my God, Webull, you have done it again. So yeah, we have Facebook, a lot of Facebook. So yeah, XOU, they have all of these different option positions. You can see how much they've gained or lost today. All of them look like they're in the green, so these are good to go. But yeah, so that's how you can use the new options screener for Webull. We can talk more about that later. I'm just bringing you the news. I'm gonna call it cute options. honestly, in Webull, they even gave us an automatic one, and these are cute. Another thing, they actually have alerts for options also. So I've seen people ask, do they have alerts for options? They didn't before. We had alert for actual stock prices. So once the stock reaches a certain price, you can put an alert. Now, once your option contract reaches a certain price, you'll get an alert. Now they have over 60 new technical chart signals and patterns. Since we've talked about Webull, we've always praised their mobile charts, on the go trading, okay? And this is all for free. This, mind you, this is all free. They're giving us chart pattern call outs now. So you'll see it'll be a small symbol on the chart. You just click it. And so it shows us right now we have an engulfing line. So that's something that we actually saw this morning, which led me to my next decision and also to the next topic. The best new feature of all features. This is what we have been asking for over 2 years. Webull now has paper trading for options. Yes, yes, yes. And you'll see here, you can just scroll over to where paper trade is. Okay, so just click paper trade, boom. And we've already had paper trading with Webull. That wasn't the problem. They only had the feature available for stocks. But you'll see here, we're on our paper trading page. We have quick trade for stocks, and now we have option trading, okay? Other platforms have added new features called watch list, but it doesn't even hold a candlestick to this because you actually have a full account. It's a practice account. This is your account. You start with $1 million. It's a little bit much. But yeah, you're gonna start with $1 million, and you can go in and take some of these same option positions that we found from the screener or that you found from my option trading Discord group. Make sure that you join that below. But you can actually start to practice this. So let's just do an example. And you see here, I already have a couple of positions. Shopify hasn't been doing so well for us. We practiced it, it didn't work out. We can go back to the drawing board and figure it out. And this is why I say you're going to gain more money, because this is going to give you the opportunity. You have these amazing charts, you have these amazing screeners. Make sure that you're journaling your trade, journal all of your trades, write them down. What did you see on the stock chart that made you want to get into it? And you can paper trade with that. You can watch 100 YouTube videos, you can read 1,000 books until you actually start to practice and you build up your trading psychology, you know, how you're going to enter this trade and exit it. It's critical that you do these things. So these were all features that we had to go to other platforms. Webull is giving us all of the tools that we need to become the best traders. So Webull really wants us to do well. I just want to say shouts out to Webull for everything that you have done in providing the best trading platforms available to new and advanced traders. In the comments below, let me know what you guys think about these new features. You know, we look forward to everything that they have to offer in the future. But if you haven't, make sure that you check out this video on how to get into options. This is just going to give you a rundown of the type of options that you want to pick. We set 1,000 for the volume and open interest. This video is going to explain why. Okay, so make sure that you check out that pressure. I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, I'm out.